Hello guys, welcome back to Delicious Hugs. On today we are making a carrot cake loaf. We're going to get started by grating our carrots. I'm using a simple box grater, rotating between the small and the large side just to give the carrots some contrast. Be careful not to get your knuckles on the box grater because it's very sharp. Now let's get started with the dry ingredients. I'm adding some cake flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and some spices, cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg. Give that a good sift so everything will be combined. Let me know what's on your Easter menu. Is it ham, lamb chops, macaroni and cheese, carrot cake? Now that's done, let's move on to the wet ingredients. In this bowl, I'm adding an egg, and I'm just going to give that a quick whisk just to get the eggs broken down. I'm also adding some vanilla, bean paste, vegetable oil, and I also added some packed brown sugar that didn't want to get out in the bowl. Now, we can continue with the vanilla bean paste. Vanilla extract works just fine as well. That's just what I add. Give that a quick stir. And then we're going to add the wet to the dry. Give your loaf pan a good spray and simply add your cake batter to your loaf pan. We're going to put this in the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes or longer until it's done. Once that's placed in the oven, we're going to move on to the garnishes for the top of the loaf. I'm going to be adding some food coloring to some shredded coconut. I'm adding as much as I want until I get the color that I'm looking for. Once that's done, we're going to start with the glaze. I simply had 1 container of cream cheese, and then I added some powdered sugar, orange juice, vanilla bean paste, and salt, and gave that a quick stir until I had the consistency that I want. I continued to add powdered sugar until I got the consistency that I wanted. It's basically up to you how thick or how thin you want your glaze to be. It should be nice, smooth, and creamy. Now we're going to glaze the cake. Put as much or as little as you want on top. Spread it out evenly. And to represent an Easter egg hunt, we're going to add the green coconut on top. And to represent the eggs, I just found some candy that was shaped in sizes of an egg, and I put those on top. This is a good time for the kids to come in the kitchen and decorate with you. And there you have it, an Easter carrot cake loaf. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye-bye.